Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a tribal necklace on a stand. Here are some examples of the tribal necklaces I saw online, and I thought they were really unique and really beautiful looking. And this one right here is my inspiration. In order to create this piece, I'm using some 12 gauge wire that I got from Michael's that can be found in the jewelry section, as well as some circle shapes that I had in my stash. One of them is a wooden circle and the other one is a pie round. And you can use anything that you have that's round, but I needed something to work the wire around in order to give it its shape. I am also using wooden teardrop shapes that I got from Michael's, as well as a hole punch. But please see the description box below for a full list of supplies. I found working with the wire is pretty easy to use because it's very flexible. However, if you want something that's a little sturdier, then I would suggest using a wire reform that you can get from the Dollar Tree or any of the craft supply stores. You would just have to dismantle it in order to comply, but they're around the same size. As you can see here, I'm using a large variety of sizes when it comes to the teardrop wooden shapes, and they're very easy to find. So I just use multiple of them to kind of give the shape of the inspiration. I'm also doing a very similar thing here with these wooden beads. They also come in different sizes, which works for the piece. I couldn't find any that were already black, so I took some and spray painted them black for this project. So now that I have everything spray painted, it was pretty much really easy to assemble, just putting the wire through the wooden holes. And this is the easy part of the project. The most challenging part of it, if there is a challenging part, was winding the black cord around the wire. It just took a lot of time. I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch this tutorial. This video also wraps up season 3 as it is starting to get hotter and hotter. So I will be taking my break, but please feel free to check out the community page. I will be active there, and you guys can check out some of the things I'm up to for the summer. But I will see you all in the fall. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you next time.